In this tutorial, I'll show you how easy it is to create step-by-step animations in PageGrid. Let's start by creating an animation. Select the element you want to animate, click on the Interactions tab, and type to create an animation. An animation can be triggered by various events, such as when the page is loaded, when the mouse is over an element, when the user clicks or touches an element, when an element becomes visible, or when the user scrolls the page. For this example, we want the animation to start when the page is loaded. We'll use the transform property to move the element from left to right. Let's change the unit to VW to move the element 82% of the screen width. To preview your animation, click the play button at the top. You can animate as many properties as you like. Let's add a rotation. The animation might be running a bit too fast, so to make it slower, open the animation options and change its duration to 1 second. To make the animation a bit more interesting, let's add a new keyframe and set the opacity to 0. The element is now hidden at the start of the animation and reveals itself when it comes to the end. Note that styles you apply to an animation will not affect the page editor, so even your hidden items will still be accessible. You can add as many keyframes as you like to an animation. Let's add another keyframe in the middle. To switch between the keyframes, just select them. To delete a keyframe, just right-click on it and then click the trash icon. PageGrid's animation system is very flexible. You can even combine multiple animations on a single element. Type in a name to create a new animation. This time, we want the animation to trigger when the mouse is over the element. To scale up the element, we use the transform property, and let's also change its background color. To test our animations in the front end, let's click the preview icon. Animations are saved globally, so it's really easy to reuse them across your site. Select the element you want to add an animation to, go to the Interactions panel, and choose one of the animations we created before. To delete an animation, right-click on the animation you want to delete. Click Delete Animation to confirm. This will delete the animation and remove it from all of your items.